Hello everyone. In this video, we will study the methods of contouring. Okay. Now, contouring, as I have explained, contouring is nothing but the uh, s- uh, operation of leveling in which we are going to join the points of equal elevation. Okay. So, methods of contouring are two: direct method and indirect method. Okay. In direct method, there may be two cases. Case 1 is when the area is oblong and cannot be controlled from a single station. Okay. Now in this method, what we are going to do, in this method, the various points on any contour are located on the ground by taking levels. Then these points are marked by pegs. After this, the points are plotted on the map to any suitable scale by using plane table. This method is very slow and tedious, but it gives accurate contour lines. Okay, we'll see the diagram for direct method for case 1. Okay, this is the plane table from which we are going to plot the map on suitable scale. The second case second case is when the area is small and can be controlled from a single station. In case 1, area is very oblong and it cannot be controlled from a single station. But in case 2, the exact opposite situation occurs. In this case, the method of radial lines is adopted to obtain contour maps. This is also very slow and tedious, but gives the actual contour lines. Okay, this is the diagram for which gives the exact interpretation of direct method from case 2. This is your plane table. Now the indirect method. In this method, the RLs of different points, which are called as spot levels, are taken at regular intervals along a series of lines set up on the ground. The positions of these points are plotted on a sheet to which it is plotted to any suitable scale. The spot levels are noted at the respective points. Then the points of contour lines are found out by interpolation, after which they are joined to get the required contour lines. Although very quick, this method gives only approximate position of contour lines. Okay, this method is adopted by using two ways. First is cross sections and second is squares. Okay, this is the diagram for cross sections method. Here baseline and the center lines are assumed or drawn, and along this the perpendicular um, or the cross sections are taken at the regular interval. Okay, and in squares method, the area of a plot is divided into number of squares of equal area. Okay, and the squares are numbered at the corners. Okay, and along this the contours are drawn. Now these contours are drawn by two ways, or interpolation of contours are of two ways. First is arithmetic calculations and the graphical methods. Okay, what is mean by interpolation? The process of locating contours proportionately between plotted points is called as interpolation. By arithmetic calculations, interpolation is very easy. Arithmetic calculation of interpolation is, suppose that A and B are the two corners of square. We can see the diagram. Here A and this is B. The value of RL of A is 98.75 and value of RL of B is 100.75. Okay, and the horizontal distance between these two is 100 meters. Sorry, 10 meters. Now, the vertical difference between A and B we can calculate by using the RLs of B and RLs of A. RL of B is greater, so we can subtract the RL of A from B. 100.75 minus 98.75 gives you 2. So this is your horizontal distance between AB and this is your vertical distance between AB. In between these two, there will be a contour of 99. This 98 के आगे कुछ वैल्यू ऐड करके 99 कंटूर आएगा एंड 100 के बीच आएगा. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग ये कंटूर प्लॉट कर सकते हैं, इसलिए हमें इंटरपोलेशन करना पड़ेगा. तो लेट द कंटूर ऑफ 99 मीटर्स बी रिक्वायर्ड. देन difference of level between A and 99 meters contour is, we can find out by using this same method. 99 minus 98.75 equals to 0.25 meters. The, the distance of 99 meters contour line from A equals to, here the 10 meters is nothing but the horizontal distance and 0.25 is your vertical difference between 99-meter contour and 98.75 meters contour. Okay, by using the method of interpolation, we can find out the horizontal distance between the contour 99 meter and 98.75. It will be 1.25 meters. Okay, this is the calculated distance of 99-meter contour from 98. Okay, so this 1.25 meters can be drawn on the uh, drawn on the map using this method. We can see in the diagram here, at some distance 99 meters contour is plotted here. Okay, so this horizontal distance is 1.25. This is the arithmetical calculation of interpolation of control. In the same manner, graphical method is adopted, but graphical method is not a practical one, so we can adopt a arithmetical calculation for plotting a interpolation of contours. I hope you understood the interpolation of contours. In next video, we'll move for the theodolite survey. Thank you.